Hello, photography students. I am doing a video on how to find your way around the photo Schoology page. So you can see my screen. This is actually, you will have something similar on your Schoology. And then I'm going to have you click on the photography page. It's going to take you to this home page. And there's multiple folders on this page, you can see. One has the welcome and the syllabus and a project proposal, and then a student blog link folder, and then September. These are the units that we'll be going over. Also a resource page and our standard operating procedures page. So the one that I really need to go over right now is how to find the assignments on Schoology. So there are a couple of different ways that you can do this. One really easy way is just click on this main page. You can look on the right-hand side, and you're going to be able to see all the assignments that are due. And you can see these have actual due dates on there. And so it will keep you kind of up to date on what you need to hand in. Also, another easy way to find your assignments is you can go to this little calendar up here and click on it. And you'll be able to see all the assignments that are due in this class, but also on yours, you'll be able to see all of your assignments in every class, which is really helpful for time management in case you have multiple assignments due on one day. So those are two easy ways to kind of find what is due. The next way is, again, you're going to see there's one that's unpublished and then there's one that's published. We are in September, so I'm going to go ahead and click on it. This is going to take you to a page that has two folders. Obviously, we would be on Unit 1, and so you're going to click on Unit 1. That's the blog and workflow. It tells you kind of the essential understandings and learning targets that we're going to be going over in this one. We have a critique form, Photoshop things, and then this is the folder that you need to click on to find your assignments. This is week 1 through 3, so the next 3 weeks we would be working on this. Click on it, and it will actually give you a list of all of the assignments that we're going to be doing. You can actually see it here. Some of them have due dates, but if you go down here, some of them do not have due dates. Those are things that are in the future. So you can actually get a head start if you really are curious about what we're going to be doing. So those are your main things that you need to know about navigating Schoology and my course. Obviously, if you ever have any questions, you can always talk to me in class, or you can actually use my email. My email is right here, and you can just send me an email and I can help you. Also, I have a study hall time. You can always show up then, but I am here to help you. That is the easiest way to navigate the photo page. All right, I'll see you in class.